Has your Jaguar's check engine light come on? While it can be concerning, it doesn't always mean that there's a major problem. In today's video, we'll be talking about what that check engine light is, some of the most common causes, and when it's time to take your vehicle in for service. Now, the check engine light is a part of your Jaguar's onboard diagnostic system. It continuously monitors your engine and emission systems. When the vehicle detects something outside of its normal operating range, it stores a diagnostic trouble code that illuminates the warning light. That light may appear as a steady yellow engine light, or it could be flashing. Some of the most common reasons your Jaguar's engine light might come on are a loose or damaged fuel cap, a failing oxygen sensor, worn spark plugs or ignition coils, a faulty mass airflow sensor, emission system issues, vacuum leaks, and fuel system problems. Sometimes the issue can be relatively minor, but other times it can affect your vehicle's performance, fuel economy, or long-term reliability. Now, a solid check engine light usually means that it's time to take your car to the shop and have this issue looked at. Now, a flashing check engine light is a little more serious. If your Jaguar's check engine light is flashing, you should reduce your speed, avoid heavy acceleration, and have the vehicle inspected as soon as possible. So if you see that pesky check engine light, don't fear. Trust the experts at Jaguar Naperville Authorized Service.